What a perfect timing. Doesn't scare you. Scares you.
This is how you make fucking beans on toast. So you have your beans, you put them in a bowl. And people say, why don't you put them on the hook? And I say, why don't you fuck off? So you get your beans, put them in a bowl. Sometimes they're stubborn, they don't all come out, so I'm to fucking get out of it. You take them, you put them in your fucking microwave. Dead centre. Slam the door, because if you shut it normally, it don't know if you mean it or not. Put it on for 2 minutes. The reason you put it on for 2 minutes, you put it on 2 minutes and 1 second, it'll just burn your whole fucking house down. And anyway, we can't do that yet because we need to do a toast first. I don't have a fucking toaster. So you get your bread. You get 2 pieces or 3 if you're a greedy cunt. Today I'm not so much a greedy cunt. You take your bread and do you know what now? Fuck it, I don't want fucking beans on toast. You fucking put me off, you fucking bastard. So, I got my appetite back. So I put the beans in for 2 minutes, right? You take the fucking bowl out and you get a spoon. I ain't got a fucking spoon yet. Are you fucking serious? You get a spoon, you got to stir them, right? Because if you don't stir them, they'll kill you in your sleep. I'm not fucking joking. So you stir the beans. Don't matter if you use a spoon or your dick or what. You just stir the fucking beans. You put them back in, alright? I've got to check on the toast. It's fucking burnt. It's not, I'm joking. Alright, so you get the toast out. It'd be a lot easier if you had a fucking toaster. So get a fucking toaster. Just get one, stop being fucking childish. You get your toast, right? You get your butter knife. Your butter. If you have a butter knife, just pull out one of your teeth and use that. I don't fucking know, I don't write these rules. You butter your toast. Some people don't butter their toast. Sometimes I am one of those people. Do what you fucking like. So yeah. So you do one bit. And you put the other one on top of it so the butter on the first one starts to melt quicker. Once you've done both, once you've done fucking both, I don't know where I'm fucking going with this. Yeah. There you go. 2 pieces of toast. Done. Make sure you put the butter back where it belongs, in the bin. So, now that you've stirred the beans for 2 minutes, you put them on for 1 more minute. Like that. And now it's just a waiting game. But once they're done for 1 minute, you'll realise that you've completely wasted your fucking time and just made a useless fucking meal. Why are you even fucking watching this? You fucking useless bastard.
You have been watching the Beyond the Colosseum channel. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for more short films, entertaining videos, gaming videos, or check out our blog for future updates.